Fantasia Realism is a theatrical audiovisual performance exploring surrealism and the stream of unconsciousness.
We wanted to explore the surrealism methodology collaboration with artificial intelligence.
So there were two types of different texts to create a script. So one of them is a horror film script and the other one is children's book script.
I'm not going anywhere. I mean, I have thought. May, for example. For you were going. You were. I'm going.
It is talking about death and it is talking about dying people, but in a very sweet way.